Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is to tell about this blog post. Recently I added this blog post on my blog.qualitypointtech.com. It is about installing n8n locally. You can come to this page by clicking the link provided in the description of this video, or if you want to come to this page later on, you can follow this thing, like you search for QPT blog, okay, on Google. Click this link, Quality Point Technologies. QPT stands for Quality Point Technologies. Here you can find that, right? If you are coming after a few months, maybe you can search it n8n, like that you can search. Okay, here, since it's a recent post, you can see it here, how to install and use n8n locally, complete guide. Okay, I came up this post with the help of ChatGPT, and I verified that. Okay, suppose if you're new to n8n is a workflow automation tool. Okay, actually, personally, I won't recommend these kinds of low code, no code tools. It is always better to learn LangChain, LangGraph, that kind of libraries, and do the coding by ourselves using Python. That is what my approach, and I have been adding a lot of blog posts and videos about that. But anyway, a lot of people are asking about n8n. Okay, it's good for beginners just to get this understanding about automation, workflow automation with the help of AI. Okay, so in that perspective, it's okay. But trial thing on the hosted n8n website, that will be for a few days only, right? So in that case, it is better to do the setup in our local. Okay, so that is the purpose of this video. Here they provided the details. ChatGPT created the details. Okay, and here I'm just personally I'm using this one, using npm. I installed n8n. Okay, like this command. I already did that. Okay, for using n8n, we have to just use that's it. It will that, and it will show that URL, that port number. And this one is very important, like that version should be at least 18 something, right? Version v18. Okay, actually there was a problem with node version. My machine was having a older version, node 16 also, apart from node 22 latest version. n8n will be supported starting from node 18 version only, right? So now I'm doing it after removing the older version. Now it's working. So it is asking to access it from this path, right? Opening from browser, localhost, port number is 5678. Okay. If you are using it first time, it will be asking your name, email ID, and password. Okay. Since I already loaded this, it's not asking. Okay. And here we can create our workflow, and we can add our credentials. So here it is working in our local, right? Mostly you can import the workflow from templates. I imported this one, and then you can make the record changes. I just imported this simple chatbot with the tools like news and weather. Okay, we can just use it, right? And I added the credentials. Okay, that's it. Very simple. We can ask anything. We can ask weather, news about any places. It will be doing that. Okay, so it is very simple thing. A lot of templates are there. Anyone can easily do that. I added some blog post about few things, like most people are asking about how to do it with the help of n8n, how to do that chatbot, WhatsApp chatbot automation. So I added one blog post for that also. Here it's asking, right, Heather, how can I help you today? So for that, maybe we can ask what is temperature in Chennai. As it is now connected to the get weather that tool, now it's able to tell the temperature in Chennai. Okay, so that much easy. We can add any kind of tools, and memory is there for keeping the context history, and we are connecting this chart model. Okay, so it's a very simple agent, right? So, but as I said, I would suggest doing everything with the help of LangGraph, LangChain, that kind of libraries. That case, you will be having more control. Okay, here just for exploring various things, you can use this approach. Okay, that is what my suggestion. Here, as I said, I added this blog post about how to build a WhatsApp AI chatbot with n8n. Okay, so normally if you search some templates, you will be getting the templates. Better just get the templates and then just do the record changes. Okay, so there are different approaches are there. You can just go through that. But as I said, it is better to do that through actual coding. Okay, that will be more flexible and more the maintenance also very easy. Okay, and I added some other blog posts also about n8n. Just you can go through that. And apart from that, I have been doing like adding a lot of blog posts about EAI. You can just check my blog, blog.qualitybentech.com. And if you want me to teach you AA personally, click this paid one-on-one AA coaching. Okay, here I provided all the details, and even you can freely download some of my ebooks here. Okay, and my best suggestion is first just to get my AA course either from rajamanikam.com or by clicking this link. Okay, this is from my blog. That is manual process. This is automated. You will be getting the link immediately after making payment. Here you need to contact me. So it's up to your convenience based on your country. Okay, and you can earn 50% affiliate commission for referring my AA course and other ebooks. Okay, that I already talked about that things many times in my YouTube channel. You can check them. This video is just to tell about my recent blog post about n8n. Okay, just to check that, and you can easily install it in your local, and you can explore by importing various templates. Okay, and you can just read the code. That is the unique advantage of this thing. As I said, you have to do it through coding, but here you can check the things, right? What are the prompts they have written, then the templates. Okay, here you can just go through the details to understand how to make your own coding, right? So in that case, it will be useful for you. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and just explore about getting my AA course, which has a lot of useful information, like more than 8 hours of recorded tutorial videos. All videos are provided with subtitle closed captions, and here you can see the list of videos available within this course. A lot of videos, right? And lot of ebooks, okay, about AA. Okay, so just check that, and if you like this, buy this, and you can earn money by referring it to others also. Thanks. Bye.